Mindanao is known for its richness in culture and tradition. In a small village in Sarangani lives a tribe called the Balaan. One of the Balaan famous textile symbols is Ladap Binani. The yellow one called Langkit means reserved for royalty, and the violet called Rambayong symbolizes for princes, young ladies, and queens. It is a Balaan textile inspired to increase awareness and appreciation for the exquisite and rich tradition of Philippine weavings and textiles. It is a kamagong wood in lacquer finish. Its cushion seat is covered with yellow polyester satin fabric and the Balaan textile for back cushion. The overall height of this Balaan chair is 660 mm length by 620 width and 950 mm height. For the front view, the seat height is 450 mm including the upholstered seat. Upholstered seat is 50 mm thick. The height of armrest from seat is 200 mm. This chair includes stretchers that also stand as a storage for shoes, books, or whatsoever. It has a distance of 160 mm between seats. For the backrest, it has a 2-back slot to support the upholstered backrest with a thickness of 200 mm. For the side view, as you can see, the chair is slanted to offer a comfortable seat. The seat legs and armrest is angled at 95 degrees and the backrest is angled at 100 degrees. The thickness of upholstered backrest is 30 mm. The forelegs has a depth of 60 mm as it is the post that will support the whole chair. It has a 4 bottom slots with a thickness of 40 mm by 40 mm, and it has a distance of 55 mm between each other, and a distance of 55 mm between the bottom slot and the front leg. For the rear view, since it's slanted, the height of the seat becomes 400 mm and it follows the armrest but still have a distance of 200 mm in between of the seat. And next, this is how the top plan is projected. For the seat plan, it has 6 garters for the webbing. It is attached with hammer tacks, and to support the seat, there are 4 brackets with a thick of 50 mm by 40 mm, angled at 30 degrees. For symbol A, to connect the headstock and back post, the half-lap meter joint is used with a thickness of 40 mm length by 20 mm width and by 30 mm depth, angled at 45 degrees. For symbol B, to connect the back post and back slot that support the upholstered backrest, mortise and tenon is used with a thickness of 25 mm length by 13 mm width and depth. For symbol C, to connect the front seat rail, side seat rail to the front leg, mortise and tenon is used. It both has a thickness of 25 mm length by 20. For symbol D, to connect the front stretcher and side stretcher to the leg, true dado and mortise and tenon is used. The peg is 10 mm diameter with a length of 145 mm, 50 mm width, and by 30 mm depth. The offset depth of the front structure, which the peg will tuck inside, is 40 mm. The mortise and tenon is 50 mm length by 13 mm width by 30 mm depth. For symbol E and I, to connect the back post, armrest, and back leg, spline joint and square tenon is used. The spline wood is 100 mm length by 6.3 mm width and depth, or 1/4 inches. The square tenon is in 20 mm length. For symbol F, to connect the armrest to the front leg, dovetail is used. Dovetail is a strong joint as it is have a tendency to lock itself by using glue. Since the armrest is slanted, it will not easily slip. It has a thickness of 30 mm length by 13 mm width and 20 mm depth. For symbol G, to connect the side seat rail, back seat rail, back post, and back slat to the back leg, mortise and tenon is used. It only has a maximum measure or thickness of 25 mm length by 13 mm width and depth, to assure that the wood will not weaken despite the joineries attached. For symbol H, to connect the bottom slot to the side structure, mortise and tenon is used with a thickness of 13 mm length, width, and height. And lastly, for the brackets, with a measure of 140 mm length by 50 mm width and 40 mm depth. Two pieces of 3 inches ring shank nail is attached each side. This nail is designed to have much grip for the wood. For the upholstered seat, first a 50 mm by 1 mm thick garter is attached with hammered tacks. Next, it was covered with 2 pieces of burlap, then a 4 inches foam, and 1/2 inch padding cloth, and lastly, the finished cloth. For the upholstered backrest, it just has the same process with the upholstered seat. This cutting list is also reflected in the joineries.